Hello everyone, our lesson is elements around us. What is this? They are iron nails. Iron nails made of what? Made of iron. Okay, but iron made of what? Made of nothing. So, iron is a pure. Cannot be broken down into simpler. So, iron is an element. What's the meaning of element? Element is the simplest form of matter. Can't be analyzed into two substance or more. So, element is the simplest form of matter. Element is the simplest form of matter. Elements are classified into two groups: metal, non-metal. Elements are classified into two groups: metal and non-metal. Metal found in two states, solid and liquid, but non-metal, solid, liquid, and gas. So, elements classified into metal and non-metal. Metal are solid and liquid, but non-metal, solid, liquid, and gas. Let's see the group of metals. Liquid, like mercury. Liquid, like mercury. Solid, like gold, iron, copper, silver, aluminium. So, metals, liquid and solid only. Liquid, mercury, but solid like gold, iron, copper, silver, aluminium. The only liquid metal is mercury. The only liquid metal is mercury. So, mercury is the only liquid metal. But the solids of metals are gold, iron, copper, silver, aluminium. Let's see non-metal group. Non-metal group has three states. Solid state like carbon, sulfur, and phosphorus. Solid state of non-metal, carbon, sulfur, and phosphorus. Liquid state of non-metal, bromine. Gas state of non-metal, oxygen and nitrogen. So, solid of non-metal, carbon, sulfur, and phosphorus. Liquid of non-metal is bromine. Gas of non-metal, oxygen and nitrogen. The only liquid non-metal is bromine. The only liquid non-metal is bromine. Properties of metal and non-metal. If you have a piece of gold, is metal, and piece of carbon, non-metal. What's the difference between them? Gold is shiny, so metal is shiny, but carbon not shiny, so non-metal not shiny.
Foil paper is made of aluminium. Aluminium is a metal. We can bend and reshape foil paper. So, metal can be bent. That means it's malleable. But carbon is a non-metal. We can't reshape and bend it. It will change into powder. So, non-metal can't be bent. It's not malleable.
If you get a battery which connected with electric wire, the electricity get out from the battery into the wire and the lamp get out the light. Why? Because the electric wire is made of copper. Copper is a metal, good conductor of electricity. If you get the battery and connected with electric wire which has a piece of sulfur, sulfur is non-metal. The lamp not get out the light. Why? Because non-metal, bad conductor of electricity. Metal, good conductor of electricity. Non-metal, bad conductor of electricity. Except carbon.
Carbon is the only non-metal good conductor of electricity. Let's see. If you get the battery and connected it with electric wire which has a piece of carbon, the electricity pass into the wire and makes the lamp get out the light. So, metals good conductor of electricity, non-metal bad conductor of electricity, except carbon is good conductor of electricity. So, we use the carbon to make battery. Cooking pot is made of aluminium. If you touch it, you will feel hot. Why? Because the aluminium is a good conductor of heat. So, metal, good conductor of heat. But if you have a piece of carbon close to the fire, you will not feel hot. Why? Because carbon, bad conductor of heat. Carbon is non-metal, so non-metal, bad conductor of heat. Metal, good conductor of heat. Non-metal, bad conductor of heat. If you put iron nails on the fire, iron nails made of iron. Iron is a metal. It will take high temperature to melt or boil. So, metals has high melting and boiling point. But if you put piece of sulfur on the fire, sulfur is non-metal. It will take low temperature to melt or boil. So non-metal has low melting and boiling point. Metal has high melting and boiling point. Non-metal low melting and boiling point. Let's compare between metal and non-metal. Metal is shiny, non-metal not shiny. Metal is malleable, non-metal not malleable. Metal, good conductor of electricity. Non-metal, bad conductor of electricity. Except carbon. Metal, good conductor of heat. Non-metal, bad conductor of heat. Metal has high melting point. Non-metal, low melting point. Metals has high boiling point. Non-metal has low boiling point.
Uses of some elements. Iron used to make car frames, bridges, doors, street lights. So iron used to make car frames, bridges, doors, street lights. Aluminium used to make cooking pots, doorknobs, foil paper. Aluminium used to make cooking pots, foil paper, doorknobs. Gold and silver used to make jewelry. Gold and silver used to make jewelry. Carbon used to make the poles of battery. Carbon used to make the poles of battery.
Copper used to make electric wires, coins, statues. Copper used to make electric wires, coins, and statues. Give reason. Electric wires made of copper because copper is a good conductor of electricity. Battery is made of carbon because carbon is a good conductor of electricity. Carbon is the only non-metal good conductor of electricity. You mustn't put iron nails in the electricity because iron is a good conductor of electricity. Cooking pots made of aluminium, but the hand is made of plastic because aluminium is a good conductor of heat, but plastic is a bad conductor of heat. Thank you everyone.